the Methodist Community Health Clinic is a collaboration. It's a huge combination of the Kuntz Memorial Church, the Methodist Hospital System, and the Lutheran Family Services. So we've been really fortunate to be able to work not only mind, body, spirit with a clinic like this. So with Methodist, we have our health services, we've got our ability to take care of patients in the area, chronic disease management, acute care. But then when we combined with Kuntz and Lutheran Family Services, we now also have access to the mental health facilities with Lutheran Family Service. Kuntz does a wonderful job with the food pantry and outreach to the community. That's a big part of their mission statement. And when it comes down to it, all of our mission statements just really align. So we've gotten a chance to really take care of the whole person here with our facility. So we do both acute as well as chronic disease management. We have a full service lab here. We have the opportunity to have access to subspecialties and other referrals if needed. We're fortunate we have plenty of community partners and other specialists in the Methodist system that will help take care of patients who maybe have little extended needs. So the chronic conditions that we would see here in the clinic would be those such as diabetes, congestive heart failure, COPD, all of those diseases that ultimately impact somebody's quality of life. Whether it be hypertension or chronic kidney disease, those things eventually can change how you live. You know, it's not really about aging gracefully, it's about aging successfully. So. You know, when it comes down to health prevention, it's not just about the services you're finding in the clinic. It's not just about, you know, when someone comes in and they already have a health concern, and here we are, obviously we're here to take care of those things. But when you really get down to preventative medicine, it's making sure people have access to good food, making sure people have access to activity and exercise and educational materials out there in order to prevent disease to begin with. One of the basic things we can do is educate children, educate families on how healthy foods, healthy activities, healthy, you know, just monitoring of your routine health can help prevent long-term disease in the end. In order to, you know, prevent anybody from having long-term complications like diabetes and heart disease and heart failure, starting young and starting healthy and focusing on all of these other things we can provide essentially prevents people from having to end up in the clinic to begin with for these chronic diseases. We're all in it together. So just as Methodist supports Omaha, we are reliant on all of those community partners to help support our system. We can't do it alone. No one can do it alone. So by forming these bonds, forming these relationships, and supporting each other, that's how we all have access to these resources. So whether it be through volunteer work, through donations, through just helping people find access to other resources, that's how we all come together to help make this work.
Please join us in our bold vision for a healthier community together. Join Live Omaha as a member, sponsor, or a partner today.